Hi there, welcome to the channel. After passing by a busy week, when it finally comes to weekend, I prefer to rest and relax on most Saturdays. But Sundays are the new beginning for me. I start working on preparing for the upcoming week and focus on cleaning, plant maintenance, meal planning, and self care. So, in today's video, I will be sharing some of those things which I often like to do and some useful tips which might be helpful for you all. Thanks very much for joining me today. When it comes to home decor, plants are my best friends. I like to decorate my little cozy home with plants everywhere around. I certainly find growing plants in water way more easier than in the soil. Of course, the growth is not that significant though, but it's easier to maintain, and beyond that, I like to combine different elements like water, greenery, and the pebbles with earthy colors. The combination takes everything to the next level. Well, I try to clean plants growing in water on every Sunday, but if I can't make it to happen, I do it every 15 days without fail. Filling the fresh water in the container and cleaning the leaves and roots predominantly add to a healthy plant growth. While taking the cuttings from a plant, I cut the branch just below the node and keep the cuttings in the jar filled with water to propagate it. Once roots become visible, I either plant the cutting in the soil or keep it in the water only. Watching plants thrive under my care instills a sense of accomplishment, boosts self-esteem, and contribute to a positive mental outlook. Arranging plants, choosing pots, and creating a harmonious indoor green space allows for creative self-expression. And that personal touch matters the most. As we all know, winter is here and so is dry and frizzy hairs. So what I mean here is, it becomes important to take care of hairs during the winters. Some time back, Rujuta Devekar shared a recipe for homemade hair oil, and that worked well for me. So to manage dry and frizzy hairs and to keep dandruff away, I like to make my own DIY hair oil using natural ingredients like coconut oil, methi seeds, curry leaves, and hibiscus flowers. Of course, if you can get them, otherwise, you can definitely skip. Let the methi seeds become reddish brown while keeping the stove on low settings. Once done, add curry leaves. Just keep in mind, we don't want coconut oil to boil because boiling might destroy important nutrients which are good for hair health. Just heat on low temperature for a few minutes. Allow it to cool down a bit and then add dried hibiscus flowers. Keep it covered for 5 minutes and then it's ready to use. I make this oil in small batches and store it in a glass jar. The process of creating and massaging your own DIY hair oil can be a therapeutic and relaxing experience. A warm oil massage once a week is all my hairs ask for. It connects me to a number of good memories from my childhood. And I'm sure you too have many of such chumpy memories. Am I right? While talking about cleaning, it's an endless process. So I take it slow and easy. Today I decided to clean two of my highly used appliances using some simple ingredients commonly found in the kitchen. Over the holidays, while we had our family movie night at home, my son popped some popcorn in the microwave and he just forgot to cover the bowl. So the disaster happened inside the microwave. You know what I mean. But that's okay. I want him to learn and understand the outcomes by real life experience. So something I have to pay in return. And now microwave was requiring a very good cleaning. So I grabbed some lemon which was actually lying in the fridge for a long time. That really came to my rescue. While this mixture is boiling inside the microwave, the steam loosens up the grimes and oils deposited in the chamber. After 3 to 4 minutes of boiling, give everything a good wipe using a microfiber cloth. Finally, it feels so good to see this kitchen helper clean and smelling fresh. And now I am motivated to clean one more such helper of my kitchen. It's an electric kettle, which we use every now and then to have some warm water during the chilly winters and to make the process faster a bit while cooking. So thought to clean it up well today. Boiling water again and again results in development of scaling inside the kettle and it will reduce the efficiency of the machine. So whenever this kettle takes longer than what it usually takes to boil up my 2 cups of water in the morning, I understand, aha, it's a time to clean it up. Does this sound relatable? Let me know in the comments. After boiling water and vinegar mixture in the kettle for few minutes, I rinsed the kettle with some water and boiled some plain water. And it's all clean. And then I will use this same water vinegar mixture to clean the dusting cloths. Smart one, right? Well, that's all about today's video. Hope it will be useful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And also let me know in the comments which part of the video you like the most. That way, I can have an idea about what kind of content I should create more often. I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy living to you all. Bye for now.